Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn hibiscus powder, which is from the hibiscus flower petals, and also onion juice into the super hair growth treatment. This treatment helps you grow out stronger and thicker hair because it reduces hair loss and also helps you grow healthier hair. With any treatment that I do, I make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled. So I'll use my detangler moisturizer, I'll use a water and also my detangling comb to detangle my hair and to make sure that whatever I'm putting on my hair is thoroughly penetrating my hair. I detangle all sections of my hair and then I twist them and then tie them at the end with just a hair tie. And this is to make sure that when I'm washing my hair after putting on the treatment on my hair, there will be no tangling again, and also that I reduce breakage. So now how do I make this treatment? So I'm going to use half an onion and then I'm going to cut it and put a bit of water, not a lot, into my blender and put the onion there. I blend the onion for a few seconds. I still want it to be chunky because if it's too smooth, I might get particles into the onion juice, which will be difficult to get out of your hair. Now to filter the onion particles out of my juice, I'm going to use these old stockings that I've just cut and made into this filter, and I'm gonna pour this onion juice into that stocking and I'm going to squeeze the juice out. The juice should be clear with no particles, it's just the juice. And then I'm going to take the hibiscus powder and put 2 tablespoons into the powder and then mix well for it to blend in together. It's going to be a bit thick, but it's very watery. For the application of this treatment, you can use an applicator bottle and put it straight onto your scalp, but my applicator bottle had something else, so I just decided to put it onto a bottle, pour it onto my hand, and also spread it all throughout my scalp, not missing my hairline and every other section of my scalp. I make sure that the last tidbits that are there I pour onto the rest of my hair, and then I'm just going to put a plastic wrap all over my hair and put a towel on top and leave it on for 30 minutes. This mix is easy to wash off, so do not worry about it staining anything because it's very easy to wash off. Rinse off the treatment until the water runs clear. And then after that, I'm going to shampoo my hair using my shampoo, and I make sure that I shampoo out everything. So it's going to shampoo out any dirt I might have had on my hair as well as the treatment, because you do not want it staying on your hair for too long. I use the LCO method, so after that I'm going to put some conditioner and oil onto my hair. I have a lot of hair wash videos on my channel that you can check out if you want a detailed video on all the products I use for my LCO routine, as well as maybe if you want a longer video on how to do this LCO method. But then when I'm done, I'm just going to braid down the hair. You can see that my hair does not have any particles, it doesn't have any red residue. It's very thick and also longer and full, and it's all thanks to this treatment that I've been trying for 6 months. So guys, I will see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to leave a comment below.